A decline in sparrow populations signifies a range of environmental issues and imbalances that warrant attention. Sparrows, as sensitive bioindicators, often reflect changes in habitat quality, pollution levels, and food availability. A decrease in sparrow numbers can indicate habitat destruction through urbanization, deforestation, or agricultural intensification, which can result in reduced nesting and foraging opportunities. Moreover, declining sparrow populations may be linked to increased pollution, as these birds can accumulate toxins from contaminated food sources and water. Drop in sparrow populations serves as an alarm bell, highlighting the need for conservation efforts and a closer examination of broader environmental issues.
Thanks for watching this video.